chicken, baby. My bad. Well, half a chicken, my bad. He had it in his bowl. Okay, Lord. Dogs like babies. They gotta have their food dirty. He eat raw meat every day. I'm about to show y'all one day when I skin when I take the bone and the skin off of chicken legs and chicken thighs. You get the bones and the skin. When I do that, you got good fresh water. Just came out. Yeah. Just came out. Yeah. His water come out of bottles and out of the refrigerator, baby. Yeah, well, feel like that's the end of that. He got a little morsel right there. He gonna get it? Nope. He'll get it a bit later on. All right, y'all. There's water right there. Peace out.